Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to do an unboxing, of course. As you guys know that I have a 2008 Toyota Avalon, and right now it's leaking coolant due to the fact that the water pump is no good, so it's leaking coolant. So what I basically did, I went to the auto shop. It's AutoZone. I went to. I spent. Where's my receipt? Spent is $79.17. Hopefully, I don't even know if you guys gonna able to see it. See it. Yeah. But anyway, see it. AutoZone. Yeah. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys. I got it right here in my hands, but I'm gonna set up my camera, of course. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, that red button, one of these sides. I can't remember what side it's on, but hit that subscribe button for me to keep on dropping more content for you guys, help you guys with different car videos and different car problems that I be getting, you know, that all of us get. Once you own a vehicle, you are going to have issues in the future. It don't have to be right now, but in the future. Stay tuned and watch me unbox this brand new. I'm sorry about all the beeps, all the guys that came in here the other day, and I told them, and they didn't do nothing. The fire alarm, the fire smoke detector thing keep going off, and those don't take regular batteries. I don't know, you gotta like disarm the whole thing, like the way how it's built in. So sorry about all those annoying beeps back and forth. I gotta let them know again. I gotta put in a work order and let them know that the batteries need to be changed. They keep beeping back and forth. Like, it don't make no sense. But yeah. So this brand that I bought is called Total Pro. Ooh, Total Pro. Hopefully you guys could see it. I don't even know if you guys could read it, but yeah. Let me switch around my camera. Yeah, it's Total Pro. This is the water pump. Total Pro, of course, is made in China. I mean, everything does. Imported through Mexico. But, you know, nothing made in America. Made in China. Total Pro. So got it from AutoZone. And let's get on with the unboxing, guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm back. So here we go. They said it was made in China. It's called Total Pro. Got it from AutoZone. And I recommend you guys, if you found out that you need a new water pump and you don't have the money like that to spend right away and get it from AutoZone, I require you guys to basically, I recommend you guys to basically go online. It's cheap online. I see some for like 30, 40, 50 bucks. The genuine one from Toyota is like $130 something, which is not bad. The only reason why I bought this right here now is because I need it right away, and I'm looking forward to do it today. Hopefully my friend get in contact with the mechanic. My mechanic, he's charging me 300 bucks to get it installed. I think that's a lot of money, but the shop will probably be more expensive, of course, but it is what it is, you know. So got it open. So here's this part right here. They have two rubber gasket right there. See them? One there, a small one and a bigger one. I'm gonna keep it in the bag. It's like in a huge Ziploc bag. You don't want to lose them, so that's why. But this is one piece. Put that down here. Make sure I don't lose those gasket at all. And here's another piece right here. This part is this is the pump itself. So basically what this does, this function to help your vehicle to make, not even help, this fluctuate basically your coolant to go back and forth into the engine, cool it down, and go back and forth. Without this, your vehicle will overheat and you could easily blow your head gasket, and you don't want that. You don't want to ruin your engine by blowing your head gasket. So this is basically very important. Never drive your vehicle while it's overheating. If you see your meter is going up to the H, pull over, shut your car off, wait until it's cooled down. If you somewhere close, you could get some water or get some coolant, pour it in the reservoir. Don't open the part that it said if it's hot, don't open while it's hot. Don't touch that part. Go to the clear box if your car have that. If you don't have the clear reservoir box, just wait until the vehicle completely cool down. You probably might have to wait 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and then you pour your water, pour your coolant. Then you can open up that cap that say hot, do not open. Don't open while it's hot. So this is the actual pump. I want you guys to see it better. You know, I know it's in this bubble wrap to protect it. And they didn't even open it. They actually have it closed in. All right, so this right here, that actually spins. This is actually a pump that circulate, you know, let the fluctuate the coolant through the system. So this is what is leaking from our car right here, coming from the water pump. So that's why I bought a new one. I have some more stuff in here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. These is needed, don't lose it. You know, all these comes in the box. So, and this conclude my unboxing. Let me just give you guys another closer look of the pump. Careful with it. So this is what my car needs, guys. So if you're having that issue, you notice that you leak in coolant, and you'll be like, man, there's no hose, it's not coming from no hose or whatever. Coolant is not coming from no hose. The reason why it's not coming from no hose is coming from the water pump. The water pump is the issue. That's why you're basically losing coolant, and you don't want your vehicle to overheat. Do your best. As I said, if it start to overheat, guys, make sure you pull over so that you don't ruin your engine, because without this, your car will cause major damage to the engine, and you don't want that. You don't want no issue from the engine. So let's conclude my unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing, that's how, if you've never seen a water pump before, this is basically how a water pump looks. Some cars may be a little bit different, but majority of them all looks the same. They have the similarities. It goes on the side of the engine. I don't know how long the job is, but it's a process. And make sure also you have a bottle of coolant. I always get the coolant that said add water, so I don't have to spend on 2. I just have 1 gallon, and the rest I could just mix it with water. And also, when anybody changing the water pump, just make sure, guys, you have the drive belt, serpentine belt, drive belt. Make sure you change the belt as well. It's really recommended, because you don't want to, you have a new pump and then your belt end up popping. So let them install the new belt with it at the same time. So that's all the information that I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like, leave a comment if you have any comment. I know a lot of people end up with issues like this. The cheaper route to go is to shop around, of course, purchase it online, you get it cheaper, and make sure you get a good quality one as well too online. Make sure it have at least a year warranty or lifetime warranty, because some of them do have lifetime warranty. I seen one on A1, it's called A1 Auto, and that one have lifetime warranty, and it goes for the same price. This one only have a year warranty. They want me to spend like more, like $130 something, I think it was, at the AutoZone. That one is lifetime warranty, but I don't have the money like that, so that's why I got this one. But if I had the time, trust me, I would have purchased the one online and get the one that have lifetime warranty. But this is all the information that I have for you guys. Make sure, I do have a drive belt, brand new. I have a brand new drive belt, is in the trunk of the car, and I have new coolant, and I have the one that, I have the Pristone one that you could add water. You know, it's cheaper that way than getting 2 bottles. You get 1 gallon and the rest you could just mix it with water. It still works. You don't have to spend all that money. But yeah guys, that's concluding my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Help me out guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out of here, man.